of amber across the deep blue sea. A message for the children, for you and for me. Obinwannem is calling. Can you hear the sound? The roots of our fathers are being found. We know they forget where we come from. The strength of a lion, the beat of the drum. One heart, Obinwannem united we achieve. Restoring the culture, that's what we believe. From the Ordinala to the Azusu we speak, lifting the fallen, helping the weak. Obinwannem Worldwide, the movement is here. Igbo Global, raise your head high, raise your head high. Our Menala will never, ever die, ever die. It's more than a page, it's a spiritual home. No matter how far in this world you roam, we're bringing back the wisdom, the tradition, the grace, putting the smile back on the Igbo face. A high energy. Please. Protect the culture. It's in our hands. Follow the light, follow the way. Obinwannem is leading the day. Keep the fire burning, keep the language strong. This is where we all belong.
Again, it fades out with a final celebration.
Obinwannem Global Radio, promoting the culture and traditions of Igbo nation.
Oma, ugbu a Chukwu am na-akpọkwa ka m na-akpọ. Anwachi Igbo ga-adị. Igbo ga-adịkwanụ. Onwe iberibe aha bekee butere anyị, Chineke ekwere ka anyị na-ebu ya. Anyị ga-anọ n'omenala anyị, bekee nọ na nke ha. Ụmụ anyị ga-agụta akwụkwọ bekee, gụta nke Igbo. Onye ya agwa nwanne ekwu ya bụrụ onye Igbo gwa ha. Ada agwakwa ndị bekee were onu bekee gwa ha. Aja obodo na Igbo were onu bekee gwa ha. Ọ bụ onye hụ nwanne ya achị fere onye hụ nwanne fere ndị Hausa anaghị asịrị ibe ha, Yoruba anaghị asịrị ibe ha. Emere ndị River na ndị ọzọ anaghị asịrị ibe ha, but ọ bụrụ ndị Igbo fere eme onye na-asịrị ọnụ ihe kwuru ma ọnụ. Chukwu ana m yọgụ ka omenala Igbo mụmụ ichie ụmụnna bụ ike na-akwado m ekwadochie ike ka ihe Igbo na-aga ọfọ a ga-esiri kwesịrị. Ugbu a ihe anyị nọbụ agụcha n'ọjị ọwụwa ya. N'ime ọwụwa ya achọrọ m ka Igbo niile, Igbo gburugburu bịa kwado ọmarịcha Igbo ka ọ na-aga n'ihu. Ndị n'ibe ha nọ, ndị na-ana bekee, ndị nọ na Igbo, ndị n'ibe ọbụla ha nọ na Nigeria ka ha kwado omenala Igbo. Achọkwana ka obodo ọzọ ghara ewere ọmarịcha Igbo omenala anyị, ka omenala anyị na-aga n'ihu. Anyị zadoro ụkwụ ụwa n'Igbo. Ihe anyị na-ekwe n'aha n'Igbo. Ọmarịcha Igbo bịa taa n'ọjị. Ma ndị nwụrụ anwụ ma ndị dị ndụ bịa taa n'ọjị. Ihe unu ga-akwado omenala Igbo. Mụ na onwe m kwadokwa nke omenala Igbo na ọmarịcha Igbo gaa n'ihu. Ugbu a ụwa m ọjị a. Igbo mma mmanụ. Igbo mma mmanụ. Ugbu a.
Obinwannem Igbo Global Cultural Movement Foundation. Our mission: to restore the honor and dignity of Igbo nation and its citizens. To restore the pride of Ndi Igbo through the re-establishment of our self-esteem in the true spirit of love and support for one another. To ensure that our past trials and tribulations are turned into a glorious future. To rebuild the strength of Ndi Igbo through her bond of unity. To ensure that Igbo nation reinvent herself and get back on track in order to regain her pride of place in the world. To reinvigorate the ingenuity of Ndi Igbo through self-rediscovery and self-actualizations. To see that no Igbo child or citizen is left behind in the grand scheme of things. For inquiries, call Director Ubochi Eke Oku Okechukwu, Ukraine on +380 975 221413. Obinwannem Igbo Global Cultural Movement Foundation.
Obinwannem Igbo Global Cultural Movement Foundation.
Ebumnobi anyị
iweghachite ugwu na nsọpụrụ ahụ eji mara ndị Igbo n'ala Igbo.
Ime ka ihe ndị ahụ eji mara ndị Igbo chapụta dịka ugo site n'inwe mmụọ nkwado na ịhụkọrịta onwe anyị n'anya.
Ịhụ na ahụhụ na mkpagbu dum anyị gabigara na mgbe gara aga bụzi nke echefuru echefu maka otito na ọdịmma nke ọdịnihu ndị Igbo.
Ịkwalite ọdịmma ndị Igbo site n'igosi ịdịkọ n'otu na agamnihu.
Ịhụ na ndị Igbo jikọtara onwe ha dịka ukwu asịsa were ofu obi na-arụkọ ọrụ iji hụ na njirimara na omenala ndị Igbo na-achawapụta ka ihe na mba ụwa.
Ịkpọlitekwa mmụọ ndị Igbo ka obi sie ha ike ma na-anụ ha ọkụ n'inwetazu ebumnobi ha dị mma maka ọdịmma ndị Igbo n'ala Igbo.
N'ikpeazụ, ịhụ na onweghị nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla gaala azụ na mbọ ahụ a na-agba maka agamnihu ọdịmma na nkwụdosi ike ndị Igbo.
Maka ajụjụ na ihe ndị ọzọ ị chọrọ ịmata gbasara ebumnobi anyị,
kpọọ Director Nwa Chineke Okechukwu Ugwu na mba Ukraine na akara nọmba +380 975 221413.
Mazi Ugwu Okechukwu, the vision is clear. Obinwannem Global Foundation, listen. They say giddy giddy bugwe is a unity is the strength of a king. And when we walk together, there is no weight we cannot bring. From the red mud of a light boat to the streets of New York City, we carry the heritage, we carry the beauty. Mazi Okechukwu saw the vision, he planted the seed. A home for every brother, a friend for every need. Obinwannem, the heart of a brother. Obinwannem, we love one another. Obinwannem, in Igbo home and abroad, hear the call. Together we achieve, we shall never fall. Join the foundation, let the movement grow. Obinwannem, everywhere we go. As one we must feed our own. No Igbo man or woman should ever feel alone. In the spirit of Onyagana, one day we stand so tall. Lifting up the weak, making sure we don't crawl. Our language is our identity, our culture is our crown. With Obinwannem, we will never let it down. Hey, Otwakana yekunen kuwana kana cover the palm fruit. That is why we need you, from the branch to the root. Support the mission, embrace the vision. Mazi Okechukwu's heart is the engine of the mission. Together we achieve, say it loud. Together we achieve, make us proud. Yeah. Igbo Gadi, Igbo Shale. Support Obinwannem in the Igbo Global Foundation. From the east to the west, north to the south. Mazi Ugwu Okechukwu Ijelega brand. Together we achieve. The heart of our brother. We love one another. In the Igbo home and abroad, here they call. Together we achieve. We shall never fall. Join the foundation. Let the movement grow. Everywhere we go.
Obinwannem Global Radio, promoting the culture and traditions of Igbo Nation. Obinwannem Global Radio, the unity of culture of Igbo Nation. Obinwannem Global Radio,
ịkwalite njirimara na omenala ndị Igbo.
Obinwannem Global Radio,
ijikọta omenala na ọdịmma ndị Igbo.
Global coverage 24/7. You know how we do. Check the frequency. Let go. Let go. From the street of 1819, the story start to grow. Obinwannem LLC, they said the thing in motion, make it flow. No matter where you did, for London or for Giddy. If the news they hot, we go give it bedu steady. Everything is newsworthy. It depend on who they talk, we link the whole wide world. Even as we they walk out, how we walk. Obinwannem news, the value of the truth. Connecting every nation from the elder to the youth. Global coverage, we know they ever sleep. Top stories from reporters, they promise where we keep. Obinwannem, the value of the truth. Obinwannem, the work for your booth. Obinwannem, the value of the truth. But you have it too, check the website, the info boku, you know they try. From TikTok to the ground, we they fly for the sky. If you want the real, you don't need to look elsewhere. We link the globe together, showing love and showing care. 36K followers, the community they large. Obinwannem News Network, you know say we they in charge. Whether na WhatsApp or you follow for Facebook, open your eyes or come and take a better look. Every corner of the world, we link on with a vibe. Authentic reports, now that one be our tribe. Obinwannem News, the value of the truth. Connecting every nation from the elder to the youth. Global coverage, we know they ever sleep. Top stories from reporters, the promise where we keep. Obinwannem.com, the world is watching. Everywhere you go, we go there. True value, no fake news. Oh. Obinwannem.
Yeah. Igbo mrize mozo ekenekwa m unu. Ana m asị nke onye chiri ya zere ya mara anyị niile mma n'ụbọchị tata bụ ụbọchị Eke Oku n'ala Igbo ma bụrụkwa ụbọchị anyị ga-enye Chukwu okike abịa ma ekene n'ife ifeọma ha na-emela anyị na ndụ. Onye ọbụla dị ndụ n'ụbọchị tata amara ihe Chukwu mere ya. Onye ka anyị ji wee hibe Obinwannem Foundation iji na-akọwara gị ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche nke ị ga-efesi n'ọdịnihu na nke ifesigoro efesi na-agabiga. Obinwannem Foundation nwere ọgwụ a ga-agwọrọ gị, ọgwụ amamife, ọgwụ ịga n'iru, ọgwụ nghọta, ọgwụ ịdị n'otu, ọgwụ ya ga-emekwanụ ka ọ dịrị gị na ezinụlọ gị na mma. Ọ bụ ndị ọchọsị family consultation. Ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche na-eme na be anyị, na-emekwa n'ime ndụ ụmụ Igbo n'ụwa niile. But pretending na-enye ndị Igbo nsogbu. Ndị Igbo pretend too much, but ihe a ga na-emebi na-agwakwafa na either way. Ọrụ m bụ ịdị na-enye gị information how it go work and how it working. Ọrụ m bụ ịgwa gị ka ọ ga-esi na-agara gị na ka ọ ga-esi na-agara gị, and ife ị na-eme na-adịrọ mara nke ị na-eme dị mma. Anyị niile ama bụcha ndị ọjọọ n'ụwa. That is why Obinwannem Foundation is there. N'ụtụtụ tata asị m ka m bịa ka m mee ka unu mara na Chukwu okike abịa ma zago m ekpere. O mego ka m mara ihe bụ uche m. O mego ka m mara ihe bụ ụzọ m. O mego ka m mara onwe m. O mego ka m mara na m agbaligoro ndị Igbo. Maka ọ na-abịa na-ekwu okwu join Obinwannem Foundation, join Obinwannem Foundation. People think na ọ ka bịa mee m ọgaranya. People think na ọ ka bịa mee m eze. People think na when they are fighting me or making me never be popular so that others can learn from my teaching, they think they will fall. They think it will be their failure. And if I go for n'ụtụtụ a bụ na onye Chukwu mere eze ka ọ bụ. In this life, either you buy or you live. In this life, either you ịghọrọ nwanne gị or nwanne gị aghọrọ ya gị. Ma unu hụkwazie na onwe unu n'anya, ihe unu ga-eme bụ unu na-enyere onwe unu aka, which is n'ebe a ka Obinwannem Foundation nọ. Ebere m na-emere ndị nọ n'ala Igbo na-enweghị nwanne dịka mụnwa. Ebere m na-emere ndị nọ n'ala Igbo na-enweghị ndị enyemaka. The reason Obinwannem Foundation ji wee create Obinwannem Foundation can be popular. I'm a popular person already. For ndị ma ihe na-eme mmadụ na-ewute m. Esi m na ebe ndị ọcha na-akpọ Paul Grand Family. Esi m ebe a, yes. Esi m ebe a. Onye ka nji akpọ afa village m, na-akpọ afa town m, na-akpọ afa community. Do you know why? I'm proud of where I came from. And I want to be proud of where I came from until I die. And me choy gabi asemu, eroho no eno na ben nagi, eroho golden house ben nagi, eroho this, which is the foundation of Obinwannem, is to expose those people that is making money in the wrong way. So that is why you cannot see multiple people in Obinwannem. Do you know why? Because 99% of Ndi Bobundori. And that is my job, to destroy them, to rehabilitate them, to restructure them, to help them. I'm a preacher. I'm like a priest. I'm like a pope. I'm like a bishop. It depends on what category you put me. Pope cannot stand me in the whole world. If corruption come out in his body, spiritually, otherwise, Pope cannot stand me. Why? Because in this life, only truth makes you to become special in among of peoples in the world. So when Pope is talking about truth or bishop, those people that in Catholic and Anglican, Kedife Hajiwe were special people. What makes them special? That asks the question. I travel around the world and understand that na ihe ji aghọrọ ndị Bible nwa chọnchi ife. And nwa chọnchi ife ahụ ego bụ ya bụ isi ihe ji ghọrọ ndị Bible. Ego, akwụkwọ ego, ka ha ji were their life. Mana ife ji wee mepe Obinwannem Foundation ka nna agwa unu na ife nwere karịrị ihe onye ọzọ nwere. Ebe ahụ ị na-eje ụzọ adịrị ya karịa ebe ị na already. Ya bụ na ndị Igbo kwuru n'okwu si na ihe na-achọ n'okene dị n'okan. Many of you people on social media aghọtara ihe ndị be anyị na-agabiga. Ndị be anyị nọkwa n'ala Igbo ghọtakwana ya bụkwa ndị nke na-emezi arụ. Because from my information in Obinwannem Foundation created njiwe wee rụọ ọrụ n'Obinwannem ndị Igbo n'ala Igbo. What I find out, ihe njiwe na-asị na ndị Igbo bụ ndị ori. Na-ekwusi ike efere hate me, ị ga-hate them, onye ga-ebukwa n'ụzọ ọnwụ, nọrọ onwe gị ka nọrọ onwe ka anyị na-ekwu okwu. Let us see who first spy. Here is Nandi Bobundo. I witnessed it in Obinwannem Foundation. I witnessed it Korokoro. I witnessed it in IPOB. I witnessed it in Nzukondi Igbo. They never have Obinwannem in their life. Their papa trained them criminality way, arrogant way, disrespectful way, no manner way. That is why they do evil things. Mana papa mo obugo na papa ma zuru ma ofuma ndị ichie zuru ma ofuma ka nsi ekwu okwu ka nsi eme omume obu na obro because of one or two things. I'm supposed to be in a security department in anywhere in the world, but because obi nwere amam no nwe ga afokwa na ome ihe ọjọọ n'akụkụ m. So nsi kan choose Obinwannem. Otego na achọ kedu department ngeje rụọ ọrụ before mpụọ n'ụwa. Department gbatara m n'isi bụ Air Army Security, which is I started it in Our Lady of Fatima Catholic Church, Wally out Onitsha. For only being a Wally Wog Our Lady of Fatima. I started it there, become a Catholic mobile security. Because I'm like ife a na-emekwa ihe a na-emedo emedo. Adịm like ndị na-emegide mmadụ. Adịkwana m like ndị na-adị iwu. Adịm like ya chacha. And ụwa m pụtara bụ ụwa ofu obi. Onye ọcha na onye ojii bụ ofu ka ha bụ, nwere ihe dị iche. Sọsọ ihe dị iche bụ color. And ịbịakwa na mgbe ebe nna anyị color dịkwa iche. Enwere color eke, nwe color ori, nwe color afọ, nwe color nkwọ. They are not the same. So that is why the same thing in a human being. So no ocha de ocha does not mean that na all the iche n'ebe no. Na idoji does not mean the iche n'ebe ndo ocha no. Because say Jago Marand funo nwere ihe dị iche. We are all human. So when we are all human, we need to teach our people, ourselves, how to love without beneficially. Because na Igbo na be nna anyị bụ inyere maka nyere gị aka. So n'ibia n'ihe na-eme na be today, from information na-enwete, a lot of people emego ihe ọjọọ. A lot of people emego ihe ọjọọ. When we are talking ife ọjọọ anyị na-ekwukwu okwu abụrụkwa nke obele yo. Enwe ndị azụrụ witi ori, onwe ndị azụrụ witi igbu mmadụ, onwe ndị azụrụ witi ichere mmadụ ajọ echiche, onwe ndị azụrụ witi ịfụ mama herself as a bad person. Like ihe ndị pastor na-eme, ihe ndị reverend father na-eme. And unu achọghị itinye ọnụ n'ime because ọ na-efeva unu. Ihe ọjọọ na-efeva unu. Onye mere unu achọghị itinye aka n'ime. Ya mere unu ji wee tinye aka n'ihe gbasara ndọrọndọrọ. Tinye aka n'ihe gbasara ndọrọndọrọ. Jugodu ndị be anyị na-eme ndọrọndọrọ Biafra, ndọrọndọrọ wa Nigeria. Kedu ife bụ ebumnobi ha? What did they want? Ka efu na nwere ihe ha ma. Ha na-asị gị freedom, onye ji freedom gị. Ọ bụ na onwe ji freedom gị, no fit talk self on social media. Nobody hold their freedom. You hold your freedom. Some hold their freedom because they protect evil. They protect bad person. They protect bad leaders. That is where you hold your own freedom. Some hold their freedom because they protect bad religion leaders. Some hold their freedom because they protect bad friends. Some hold their freedom because they protect criminality. So nobody hold their freedom. Last time I checked. So agitating for Biafra, agitating for one Nigeria makes you criminal person. Because you want to intimidate, you want to overtake. That's why every time we check each other deep of what you people doing, I just laugh. Do you know why I laugh? You can never survive it. The only thing I will be giving our people all over the world, idea, solution. Idea, solution. Because what I have said since 2013, that is why I'm this strong in my preaching. I any page of Igbos co-related to Obinwannem. Mgbe ha ga-eji mata ihe Obinwannem na-arụ ọrụ na media Obinwannem, ọ ga-adịchara ha nche too late, and ha ga-value Igbo culture and tradition. Even if it is not Igbo culture and tradition, it will be culture of Asian people. Ndị ahụ bụ ndị bụ ụzọ wee hibe ya na-akpọ ọchịchị ezinụlọ before we ba ọchịchị obodo. Because na mụnwa na-ekwu okwu kedu ihe merenu na Igbo enwere ozi Obinwannem. Ihe a bụ ihe m na-ajụ through Obinwannem Foundation started from Ukraine. Kedu ihe mere na Igbo enweghịzi Obinwannem is a very simple question. I have Obinwannem ndị Igbo. I know that ndị Igbo bụ ndị ori. They are useless people in all over the world. Love only money. Love only money. They don't love human beings. They love only money and themselves. It is the record on the system of the whole world. Go to around the world, you will see how ndị Igbo full in prisons. Sometimes people will be coming and giving me a bribe to stop saying what I'm saying so that Igbo people can come and support me. My father said, you are a bunch of fools. You don't know what crime is all about. That is why you can now stand and telling me to never tell the evil, their sins on their face. That's the problem. You want me to pity for people who still doing the same thing I'm talking about. You want me to romance evil, so the evil will come and conquer me. It will not happen. I don't need anybody to come and register in Obinwannem anymore. I don't need it. Either you come and support, or you be listening to the message from Obinwannem TV. That's all. Because I was thinking that now when I ain't on me for Bobo. Manufacturing was here no dinner. Naturally, whatever I want to be. Engage you the same platform. Uno macham na platform. Na vum kana ezozo ma Chineke nke na ha kumbiri na platforms. Ebe aguru su maramu. Onu wa bekwara mu ji we create be WhatsApp groups. Onu wa na chotakwa m na akpom na phone na like nke isi ekwu you are an Igbotic man. Ba. So when sisi unu adima no ebe na eri ojo. Aburo a man who pretend, whether it's my father, whether it's my mother, whether it's my brothers and sisters, go and ask them no makashi in soccer. I don't pretend. Also, we have no papa that the wunga no niru was in a papa melalo. Is it a problem? Papa melalo megide muonyozo. It's normal. Papa that he oboda. My friendship with you cannot allow me to sin against my God, against my spirit, against my children, against my nature. Is it truth or bruga jifenowa? Mari gwagni na he meti egi ki we metebi oba jife ka obo. Yakumi Igbo ji we bia. No be nwanne zucha ori he ni ha zuru. Western Gama forgive you. See, from October 1st, I close a lot of groups of Obinwannem. Everybody go back home. I doesn't care. I don't want to stress myself again. I want to become a messenger I already born for. I don't want to work with anybody. Anybody in for Hanana on my name of Madika Peter Obi and Jofezak and Okuro Randigo. I have to talk to them today. That's the end. I can roll good. I don't make money because I don't love money. I hate money. Now money now love me. Now money now they come to me. Because I have the strength, I have the power, I have the knowledge to acquire that money that somebody is printing in America or printing in somewhere else. Because that person that printing money, if they put two of them together with me, I cannot my I gotta come over think he had a jagger make all baron. So that is why I cannot let myself down. I must make myself to be proud, bold. One game me. I am a man, I'm a proud son of soil. No bonus of bagger. Nobody can make me to feel like I am not above of all of you. A part of this place. Webta knowledge gi. Webta mami fegi. Webta if you make millions of people benefit in one thing, in one project. Webta get webta on social media. They are confused in the or you can just say a better moon and mele they don't Igbo. But didn't want to call her. I want to walk a gainer hacker. Whoa, Makanway and he too much. Young why Jenny because why have to go to into prostitute before he can help their family? Why have to why this changing like this now? gather. So come tinye flyer wee mezie nke ihe na ka anapụzie ha na n'ife na-ekwu ntinyezie flyer wee na-agazi n'iru ntinye flyer. So welcome back. All this audio ka ha ga na-anụzi na YouTube and Facebook is better like that. Let them be hearing my voice only. Ka I wezie TikTok wee na-aga n'iru. So, kedu ife m na-ekwu? I ga-ababazi na topic anyị n'ụbọchị taa because ka m wee be sure na m kọnkara a lot of messages ndị obodo m na-ekwu maka ya. But nke mbụ bụ gịnị? Nke mbụ bụ na ebe ọ bụla ege m ntị n'ụwa niile. Ebe ọ bụla ege m ntị n'ụwa niile, let me tell you something. Ka anyị gwa na eziokwu, ka anyị gwa nwa ya eziokwu. It's up to those people they willing to live long, because my mission is I want our people to start living long again. Only ndị Igbo live more than 80-90. From what I'm seeing in spirituality, only Igbo live more than 90-100 in this age, in this generation. So what is the problem? The problem ga-abụkwa the same thing ahụ anyị na-ekwukwa gbasara agriculture, gbasara farming. So many of you people now chere na ndụ ka na-ebi otu yi na okịta ụwa gị ga na-asị gị na-ebi ọfụma because icheke akaụntụ gị 50 million 100 million na-ekwu okwu there. Your mind will be telling you that you are living a good life. You forgot that nna m na gị na-abụ maọbụ nna m maka ọ bụghị nna m na gị na-abụ because na nna gị bidoro n'ebe alụ kụzibere gị arụ ya ka iji wee bụrụ onye ori today, ya ka iji egwu wayo, ya ka iji nọ na Filipino egwu ndị ọcha wayo na-atụ ọlụ, ya ka iji nọ na Malaysia na-atụ ọlụ, ya ka iji nọ na China na-achọ ntụ ị ga-ebu, ya ka iji nọ na India na-atụ ọrụ because papa gị azụrụ ọgụ ọfụma na your father did not train you very well. That's why you become a crime against humanity. Many of you people think that is not the life you are living today is a life that will take you long. That's why many of you people die helplessly. And in Dutch, I don't know if I'm mana. Only when they still live long. In Dutch, I so. Philippines, I so. Vietnam, I so. Indonesia, I so. China, South Korea, I don't know, reach 100. Let's know only. Arụ ya gwara ya okwu. So, ndewo kwa na abatakwa na ọzọ. Ị nọ n'obodo ndị mmadụ na commit crime. Ị nọ n'obodo ndị mmadụ na commit crime and think that na be nna gị ga-adị mma. Many of you people nọ n'obodo ndị ọcha na commit crime and most of you are Christian. But you know that crime is not good. You know that you may mad with your job, but you are doing it as a Christian. You are blaming Tinubu, but in Malaysia, no Sundachori, not Toro. You blame Tinubu, but in many parts of the country, no Ubuntu. You blame Tinubu, but a lot of business in Europe. We're not suppressing the blame, but you blame Tinubu. Obuna Tinubu, we're singing a Mabnatazia, no ban or contraband in Bobako. Tinubu saying that na yeni na hunde binata na choose ne gazen Kairoba na roba
Unosina government ebutego ajife. To prove that na papa gazu hogofuma, mama gazu hogofuma, ya meri juwe the got ibido na atuoro 419. You started that 419 immediately you chop and Igbo, a lot of Igbo before 419. I begin disappointed. I don't know actually make it with Igbo and cable that na mma chok and make business with them. That's why you create a foundation. Ejukwa foundation and na alotoro is never na enyere ndị Igbo aka na enyere fa aka ka o wee bụ that na mụ nwa ajụgo agbụrụ m. I need the help of ndị Igbo to grow. I need them from the system of what I'm saying in the life. I need ndị Igbo. I want to help ndị Igbo, not ndị Igbo to help me. I want to help ndị Igbo, which I have been doing it in the Obinwannem Foundation, spending millions. So it is my priority to help them because they are criminal, they are bandits, they need to repent. And if they do not repent, the lands of Igbo land will swallow them. The land of wherever they are will swallow them in difficulties. Because even when the Kanima rise up in this world, begin to tell the whole world that Igbos are different. They have Igbo, they have Igbo. Whenever you see people that is pushing drug, whenever you see people that do 419, they are Igbo. They don't have anything upstairs. They don't know how their father structured their family living. They don't know how their father structured how to make a living. They don't know. Hamaro kese bindo. Hamaro kese bindo zuno. Hamaro bindo dumanne. That is Igbo for you. That is why they are all in politics, using the public fund to establish their fake useless family all over the world. And people are coming on social media agitating for Biafra, agitating for one Nigeria. Is it not hypocrisy? What are you agitating for? You're agitating for what? What are you agitating for? Agitating for you are Peter Obi now able to go Okura after I have been saying a lot of things. Okura you pretend. Now Peter Obi now arrive with you. Brazil to you. Saying all that support back from that day. We squad that know how about the problem of all of you. Which is now Obunabuka a watch wedding a baby. We immediately Peter Obi confess that now all how about the politician Bebere Ebudani Kodi. Oburuko Bodode Nebo Peter Obi confess no hama dobrodai called the Kuma Kobodai now. Obodani de in Kabuna Anna losing mother see tayata. Oh, can I fix the kita? Mbodi buna bobo, and we call the whole much quote the kita. Makana bobo and the more polente, and they go one. And I made Jabanta, Nimoha, I am not Bejuna. I am not Banto Baka. So there is nothing like Fulani, there is nothing like insecurity, much like it is now. So automatically Peter Obi is telling you that they are the one that destroy our father structure unity family. In my humble, that thing Peter Obi said, that thing Peter Obi could, and besides give the Kute to Peter Obi on what pay. Now, do you know why you will forgive him? You will forgive him. He get deny that side. He get deny that side because now even afu na so gade ekwe me maka security barrier around. Because they are the one gonna do what to nafugo. When Peter Obi was doing that thing they are doing, they think that that is how world will be forever and ever. They don't know that the world does not belong to anybody, including me. The world rotates according to how you like. Ukwana ine kuna, ine kuye, enwonye le yile, enwonye na toto, enwonye na chodi jinto me. Enwonye gana bariru, enwonye gana wahi. That is why you say, ni marifi le kune kusike. Consistency is the key of the future. When you know that what you are saying in all left and right is true, keep on. Even one person listening to you If you convert one person from evil to good, it is the message of the reason why we was created. I'm a messenger. Oh, Nyozioma Kambo. Mana na ma kunke mmiri. Ndo kana kunke ha mmiri. O maka mmiri ndo kana kunke fa, nyere okwu ha ga atọgbu ụtọ. Mana emechi obibe dị obibe, ejuwa na chigono. Chiga no honia because na ina Yesu ụzọ Chukwu, isoboro ụzọ pastor, isoro ụzọ Chukwu. And ụzọ Chukwu bụ nke ahụ na-adịghị mma. Before you look for good, try to make others good. Imagine what you know. Imagine you know. That's why I say no kwara mu ka chiri sikegi. Maka obi gị magikpe. So Peter Obi now gwara na asị nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Okwuola ndị Igbo, which we are going to go on there very soon. When I say Okwuola ndị Igbo, ya na-ekele gị ị na-arụ ihe mmadụ agaghị arụ, ị na-arụ ihe dị impossible. Why is it impossible? Because Peter Obi is not a real Nwafọ Igbo. Because if Peter Obi bụ real Nwafọ Igbo, ihe ahụ Okwuola na-eme is common nonsense thing. Onye ọbụla na-eme ya even nkakwu ga-eme ihe. The reason why I am going to do when you future, it is like many people will be coming and say, you are not the kind of all because you was not trained well. Because if you know that we know Mama Nandekan and Papa Nandekan, many of us may be thinking that Nandekan throw from heaven to come and say what he's saying. That is how you people stuck in the mind of Britain. Because when you're not check at Britain, when you're not grow up Britain, I'm a man and the kind of job, you can't the kind of miracle which now, when you keep the one can be everybody the one. Peter Obi na in a nine yakita now. Can you remember Peter Obi, Jwedi Chenebino, make you cool? Make it a Guamukita, can you Peter Obi Chenebino? Like the talk as a man you are, can you remember Peter Obi Chenebino? Oh, you can agree, nine support Peter Obi does not mean that na Peter Obi amoro that na all you go na got. I knew those things. Now na support Peter Obi does not mean that na mu wanu amoro na Peter Obi other support what I'm supporting. But sometimes when we had a look that is what makes me a young man. That I'm still going to suffer my body to overcome my mistake. So Peter Obi Abrono, you are the best. And Obuna, man may work in a PC. I go here. He said no go there. I don't go there. Things don't make well. Things not go good. He said you go. Okay now. If you want to go, make it go now. You know say if you go there, you know go survive because you know what you see when you go. So when you see a general jiggle, oh you're for. Peter Obi na Chokoje chair Nigeria. Mana you want mana Nigeria brought for only the Peter Obi. Mana due to many of our people believe we go in Peter Obi. Mandi fake mandi good one mandi feel him was anything how they do a kuoku, no how we go politics when they make a kuoku, ka viewers webia, ka context webia, many of them is there. And we don't know which of the mindset we need to have one mindset. Can you have one mindset? That is what's supposed to be in our mind. Peter Obi na presidency. Oje presidency now. Ihe Obi na oje nwo oje bana. Ndị ahụ niile bụ ndị ọgbara mgba ga-agbawari ya mgba. Onye bifa na agwa gị. Ndị ahụ niile bụ ndị ọgbara mgba ga-agbawari ya mgba. Because otu akịta ọnọ kịta now. Ndị ihe na-ene anya na ha da attack ya n'iwe na-ejegharị because we know na power. So all the powerless now. But if you eventually Peter Obi enter power, then we can protect power. And as far as I'm concerned, Nigeria powers must be swallowed blood before they can get strong. In Europe, Nigeria, as far as 1999 constitution is involved, in Europe, can Peter Obi go without shedding blood of innocent people. That is why I just say, why are we trying to go and do what we cannot do? Or then na usi na Peter Obi or what orije. When say KJ, when we talk about Biafra referendum and Biafran unity and Biafra mission, only trying to cut us right. The hopeless, useless IPAB leader begin to scam everybody. That's what makes me angry, and it keep making me angry until all of them die. I will never forgive all of them. That is why only me knows why I joined this IPOB. Only me know why I'm now saying, Peter, if you like, go, but let me be reminding you before you are going. Obi fine Kugasi, Peter Obi man let him go down. Peter Obi Jigonalibo, Eben Sobodi, like you told Sidin and Kokora. You don't know what we are doing until the time of what we are doing begin to manifest in your face door. I know Igbo. Igbo think that how they like it, how they share platform, how they support it, they will not telling other hopeless Igbo that you see nobody is watching him, 2 people is watching him, 3 people is watching him, his word does not make sense. Whereby no more they question Igbo. Akatapa, Obiopan Soka, Ikejopa, unforgivable somebody. I'm not a man like you. I am the creator of the universe. If you try me, you will see it to the end. Nothing flame in this world except lie. I fear to lie. I fear to lie so much because I'm the consequences of lying. That's why you cannot stand me. Your papa, your president, your governor, your senator, your church leader cannot stand man kono hen sokan or not possible. All of you are a sinner. I know it. I have the evidence of what I'm saying in the whole over the world. Peter Obi is a man that is, if I begin to analyze Peter Obi did not qualify to get 1 vote of mine. Because if I have the potential of Peter Obi in today, I begin to, or at least very good foundation in here, we create something possible that's going to be like an evidence of what we want to do to the whole Nigerians' villages or towns. Peter Obi kwesịrị ịdị egosi gị n'Igbo agro na ya mere ka ndị agro about 150,000 people in agro mere job on my company. That is number one reason ndị ọcha ga support humanity. Peter Obi kwesịrị boast na agro that na fact no create job opportunity to create in agro. Na ya agro dey 2 million people. And that 2 million people, that 150,000 people with a job in my company, in my own fatherland. Yeah, we boasting boasting of the whole world. But he cannot boast it now because he's not a real one for Igbo. He's a part of Igbo. When Igbo, he pretend he know more than Igbo in those. Only the reason in those now. Because no only Igbo na mari only Igbo dị ọma. I dey ask na nwoke asadu adas nwoke dị agbebuti ọ n'ọgbọ. Ọ na nwoke tocha ocheri die. Because now what Peter Obi know today, Peter Obi don't know more than me except to reading something that shut out. That is only what Peter Obi used to be more than me. Peter Obi cannot stand in my face in two debate in me without English. Because Peter Obi don't even understand what leadership is all about. The reason why you go because now I am a freedom fighter. I'm a human rights advocate. And we need to be setting the record straight. I don't care about who you are. Davido is part of what all the Nigeria is doing. Because Davido, everybody go Nigeria, go sponsor Davido. Davido, then now only to go now Davido now come back and use the same support and make him to become whatever he want to become. If you can ask me, for future beneficiary, it is something that I know from the childhood. Even when I was having one rich man family, ụmụ ha niile a ga-ejikwa ya ọfụma kechie ya ọfụma ha na-eje skuulu nke anyị achọrọ ịma na ejem anyị jere na-etikwasịra anyị ihe sef anyị ga-asa efere anyị ga-esi nri anyị ga-asa esi anyị ga-eme ihe ma ụmụ ha ga na-arahụ onye kwuo ụra ha teta anyị nwa ga-ejefe ha arụ anyị nwa ga-akwado ha anyị ga-eyi ha shuu anyị ga-akpọji ha bifo anyị wejebe nke anyị. I know all of them. Papa Peter Obi is among of what I'm talking about. Papa is among of what I'm talking about. You can't come in Obinwannem platform to talk anything because I will destroy Igbo worldwide. You go to see how it will happen. IPOB is a chicken change. They don't have future. IPOB don't have future. They don't have even no future in IPOB worldwide. No future. Ọmụ ọbụeze ndị Igbo na-ekwudo ha na akpọ ndị eze. Because ha na akpọ ndị eze bụ ndị a na-ese ese maka okwu ọnụ ha. Because you cannot bribe me. I must be working and making my own money through legit way and be using it in a proper way. That is, I have to make it publicly, not secretly. Anything money just supposed to be secretly. Because it's not you, it's not the money is not yours. Igbo Culture will be secretly. Ina akunyoji in a bay fence. Ina akunyoke in a bay fence. Ọ bụ onye mara ike esi eche echiche ya bịa n'ụfụrụ ike isi eme wem efugo ebe na-akọrọ ice chem iwere anya gị na-enye ihe ahụ dị confused mana ibidie ọmara gị arụ. That's why you have to practice look perfect. But you people don't understand the English. You went and study. All of you claim you are educated person, but you are a fool. Igbo was a fool. It's animal. They don't study anything. They don't know anything. They study only fraudsters. And you are running away from Obinwannem platform because you don't want people to know Obinwannem. I am going to pay my last money to put this thing on archive so that the next generation of your father we will demarcate peoples of the Igbo race. Agamakoro wanine nanti will be criminal, bandit, fraudsters. Anywhere you see them, don't attach them to our ancestor. Never. Every tribe in Ndojo when they we have identified them and saying it. That is why they're running away from the media of everyone to support everyone. But only me will still make you people to perish. I can even stay on my own. I don't want to go to any club, any meeting, anything again. I will just sit down. I go to my work and come back and start my program and be doing it. In every day I will get money. I send it to the foundation, maybe 200,000, 300,000. When in the pendant at my family, and I still can make. I don't need any other thing in my life. I want to rescue people from the bondage of Igbo. We never talk about bondage of Nigeria anymore. Bondage of Igbo. Because Igbo claim to be smart, but they are most useless people I never seen in my life. Hausa kahama, Fulani kahama, Yoruba kahama. But they are coming to social media. Look at, they are the one on social media blaming themselves. They refuse to blame the main people. They refuse to blame the main people. The main people being in the hands of a governor and a senator. They begin to talk rubbish against Yoruba, against Hausa without respect. That is how you know Igbo. They don't even talk about how they can release Nnamdi Kanu from the dungeon. They become an infiltrator by themselves. They become an saboteur and a blackmailer by themselves. People who never joined in Nnamdi Kanu struggle is now talking on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. What is that in educational level? To you to see how Igbo will become a criminal among themselves. And I'm telling you people, when you're supporting breakfast struggle now, you're supporting a criminality. And I'm telling all of you to stop disturbing Igbo people in the name of criminality of agitation. Because the whole world will listen to me and write what I'm saying and ask you people, and I'm going to come out in the whole world. This one is not the one, and I mean a Nigeria useless court. Come and testify. I will testify with my face that IPOB came and criminal kahabo. They are not for human rights. And we must ban them. I am a man that have my own staff in IPOB. I have a leadership quality. I have served them. I know what I can talk. Like somebody have already become a slave in Nigeria and be telling you about the problem of Nigeria. The same thing I'm on in the IPOB. Nobody, even Nnamdi Kanu cannot talk anything in my face. He can't talk in twice. Either you believe in Obinwannem, then Nage, or you stop coming on social media to defraud and to betray people that is want good life. I don't want to see people like your people. And I must work with those people you think that they are an enemy and destroy you. Because I rather destroy you than to destroy people that you are calling enemy on my face, whereby you are enemy of me. I know cook I just do every day you put on social media. I started agitating for the goodness of Igbo land since 2013. But now couldn't actually be a bum. Nan they can do this. Simon at this. Architect and so called accumulation in this social media. That could be killing Mandin America, Mandin Canada, not support this evil. Chineke got me no. I Mazi Okechukwu one corner of Mexico. You people hide your identity, claiming to use and become to defraud you in Igbo. But I'm agreeing the Igbo nation is going to be my priority, and I will use the same Igbo nation. Even in the Igbo which they're going to bring back support to, I will still destroy them. My own mission. And my own mission can never be defeated by corruption people and pretenders. You need defeat. Because many of you people think that now become a rich is something that is a one. No, to become a rich, only this Bible now, pen, anything they call it, only signature, rich, I become rich. Only book, you become rich. Manandi bully politician, bully church leader. Gana Bagabiki, you just na mountain before reach. That is the part of the fraud. I'm telling you that Igbo is a fraud. Man, they go down to the day you go now, or you go to man, the day you go easy. Cause where we're doing is India. Up with Edwin Sukani, said the Baba and Kaiba, the very bad place. So all you government me. Only or not chibu so Obinwannem Foundation that is the problem of me and you. I'm not thinking about you on social media. No. I'm thinking about those people Igbo. How many of you people talk about a village? In the very one Nigeria not destroying the mud. The right people be not destroying the mud. The right fake Biafra mission not destroying the mud. We was thinking that we need to change the mindset of those people who need the help. And now they need the help. Even all of you, imagine the wickedness of Igbo. The wickedness of Igbo that's no amazing. Nobody really demanding freedom fighter. Now across poverty. So you would have started freedom fighting. What are you fighting? To become millionaire? To become a powerful man? You think you are better than the number. And my money to you in the name of Nandekana, in the name of freedom fighter. Many of other people gonna say, no, I hate Nandekana. I hate black women now. Come and tell me that I hate a man that I served almost 5 years without paying one kobo on my account, without even anything on my progress, without even recognizing what I have done. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Where are you from in Igbo land? Do you think everybody you can manipulate and just take them away? No. I'm a full educated man by spiritual. My certificate can never be seen in anywhere all over the world. I can just say, you got harmonium but I need age. I will catch you. It's an engage them. I don't hide myself. I don't hide myself. That is why Chineke women in ditch and over. Only Okechukwu. Sometimes also. The reason you hide when you come to my platform is because you cannot be bold enough of who you are. I don't have this need with respect. I created Obinwannem Foundation to fight in Igbo. I told him that I didn't. How much can you give me? How many of you will make them do it? You know, I give a dress and you might think where I'm from. I'm from Amaji. Amaji Makachi, Kevin and Soka. I grew up in Onitsha. I grew up in Navy. I grew up in a lab international. I grew up in a Maza. I grew up in an army barrack. Ojo Cantonment. I grew up in Oshede. I grew up in Ajambadi. I grew up in Sele. I grew up in Abara Estate. I'm a man of people. I am a traveler. You can't begin traveling in Nigeria before I travel out. So many of you people, before you come to my page, first of all, what you have to do, you have to ask yourself, am I qualified? Am I qualified to talk to this guy? From the qualification of you to talking to me is why I told you go and register in Obinwannem so that you can talk to me. Because a stranger cannot talk to me without me knowing you. And the same thing told you, how may I help you? How may I help you? You begin to explain. So do you think that when I'm speaking Igbo, you come, you qualify to talk to me? No, you do not qualify. You are not only people who speak Igbo are Igbo. If you go to Obinwannem Momo, Obinwannem will tell you, say, it takes a lot of things to become an Igbo man. I am original Mafo Igbo. Mafo Igbo, now they want to talk. And when you go on a Igbo got change him to man, and when you say on a Igbo got change him to man, and you go in the fan, Hazo, you draw the Hanimo brother Hanaka. You can look at them in the one over. They can't talk to me except to do what I tell them to do. If they don't do it, I make a move. Not by force. I don't join a group that will do political things in the family. No. We are all one in the face of God. As far as Igbo, now Igbo, we are one blood. We need to think for each other. That is my priority. That is my mission on the earth. I will not use Biafra or IPOB to look for the peace of my land. I will not use Biafra or IPOB to look unity of my people. It is a very shameful and a very, very deadly. That's what I will analyze and say no. If it is what Nandi Kanu told us on social media, it is what is happening in IPOB. By this time, the whole world will be crumble of what we are doing. But he employed criminals. He employed devilish idiots. He employed people that cannot even handle their family affair because of global affair. Today, people using Nandi Kanu, Biafra, defrauding people on social media, claiming they know more than what they know. What do you know? None of IPOB worldwide can come and tell me if the IPOB are not criminals. Because when you do something that is cannot yell anyone to, automatically all of you have already become failure. We agitate ourselves as Onobongan Abanoso. Mama no Bechanan don't die POB Chicho when in Kebatran, Makuni no Chandis Nakuko. Then in this Yakaji they now plug it into pieces. How are you now? That's why I'm telling all of you. My one Nigeria, my IPOB, my Biafra, all of you are still under bondage. Anonya mweni mukajaya hiyo. Ndocha adu yenu naka. Mweni namode mende ni makabara. IPOB need it. Maybe Biafra need it. Maybe one Nigeria need it. It is the same thing you need. Ndi Biafra na hachori inapo Nigeria inapo Nigeria okwa. Wenye okwa. Then do not believe Biafra to inapo Nigeria okwa wenye okwa. Can you not go na Biafra land since you begin to know what you know? Do not try to reach Biafra where those seven nage. We hold you to repair them nage with the same Biafra without disturbing Nigerians. Can you tell the whole world? A backward that now power, the SS. Then if you power the SS, what are you going to do? You don't have the power. In this way, you if you cannot win the join them, do you think they are mad? Ordinary is going to be that now go and join politics so that you can understand the system more than what you are understanding on Radio Biafra or everywhere you are talking about Biafra on social media. Biafra is not about social media. Biafra never brings social media matter. Even during a bit Ojukwu time, during IPOB in the new one at church IPOB, it is not a social media matter. We open only Radio Biafra and Biafra TV to pass a message of what we are going to do, and also to let people on social media to know what we have, let them go to meeting. That's what we did before. If you now call me, I want to join IPOB, I say, where are you? I am in Germany. Which side? In Hamburg. Okay, don't worry. What is your name? You said, okay, contact this number. If you call this number, the number will now direct you more. Everything on the air. Everything on the air. Until here we do, creating guys say inquire number. Igbo no picking. Igbo no answer. Igbo some people pick a cover rubbish. IPOB in case now one them are not the legit. Office number no way. Look at the tiny largest movement they create in the woman office. And when the legit office, and when they work out. Are you not people not ashamed to talk about IPOB again on social media? Are you people not ashamed? Are you people not ashamed to talk about Biafra? Are you all not ashamed? You claim that you want to conquer a government that already more than you. Your papa is in that government. Your mama is in that government. You know your mama didn't, but your mama go protein or chile. Common organization IPOB procedure goes into how you people can manage Biafra state or Biafra government. Could you not be accountable? You can't be open. You listen to Nandi Kana, you are mad. You can't know from me now, you make it madness. Because sometimes you say that now everybody are the same. No. Nandi Kana make us to understand that organization will fail us. Nandi Kana make us to understand that Nigeria government fail us. Nandi Kana make us to understand that African leaders fail us. But now I will make you to understand IPOB fail us. I will now make you to understand that Biafran leaders fail us. I will not make you to understand that Igbo fail us. You see, you know my vision. So I might say to you, when you say Jerusalem, once I can chop and Madi castigate to give the disciple Madi promote to be. I will read a lot. I have a lot of advice from the white people in Jaba. See, it is normal to castigate you, it is normal to say any bad word on you, but if you know what you are saying, keep on. Because every time you actually do look at John how you do, so only can get one more look how you do. You talk and Jen and Kenny lawyer, so one door keep in at once. I don't know, you say can't chop one, you never know. Come on my way, or we nature can tackle. In you match away, can then one create yana trustee or body kahabo. In creating this social group, you need criminal mind. Nobody can stand the truth. Nobody. Everybody choroking nobody can have you for with two useless children. How much papa has you, mama has you, mama which I was in him. Obama in Jemba Odibo. I come here take a cropan. Now I will please step. Even the work at 3-story building. Flat everywhere. So I have suffered beyond the way that when you carry your cry of your children come to me, I will tell your children to start sleeping on top of barrel first. I sleep on top of barrel, I sleep on top of my chin. So when you cry that nonsense come, you cannot get me my soul. I will just help you because I want to help you. Not that is me using me. Do you know me? Do you know me? Do you know how God Chukwu will make me to become where I am today? When you get me when they turn on nature. Nanduko was one man penpe, Nangan on a Germany today. Now I go one logo. Where do you believe you? Only can do area from me, so one couldn't soccer. So that now only the man will win and Nanya because the bumbo will kiss to a gun, kiss the bumbo will. Always to be in the master for always again. And when we teach in Nigeria again, I begin to do business with international communities. And I be a good mafia. They can bring all the husband or but for nonsense when they marry. But when they go match all boys, so I part of it. Match 50 boys now could go up and I protect him. Trying to go now could go can monitor my page. That is it. But when I'm there in nature, it's normal. But after let me be neutral and be speaking the voice of the voiceless. That is me. na-ekwu ka Chineke ga-esi wee nabata mkpụrụ obi ndị Reverend Father, ndị pastọ, ndị anyị na-ebu ndị echekwubere ka ha mee ka udo dịrị ndị dị ndụ, mana ha naghị eme. Ọ ndị mma ji n'ọrụ, ọ ndị mma na-afaịtị, ọ ndị mma na-agụ okwu. Anyị onye ma njiri egwu ụlọ sị na try do a lot of things to let ndị Igbo to know the right way. And I do my job higher. So ndị nọ na America ji ego gbaa ego ha n'ukwu amụ. So ndị nọ na Canada ji ego ha gbaa ego ha n'ukwu amụ. Some useless freedom fighters in the name of Biafra, in the name of IPOB, ha gbaa ego ha n'ukwu amụ. They are claiming they want freedom, but ha pack ego ha n'ukwu amụ. None of them can declare ego on hand in account. Ke we mmadụ go how many money? Ke we nweta ya na ahụ. Ọ iji we man scam. Imo when a nation chọọ ka ha bịakọta ọnụ like I'm with now four friends. Chọrọ na ịbịa ka ha create a union or a group or a club or a court, because court belongs to every foundation. Obinwannem Foundation is a court. Everything that can come together with three people is a court. All depends on how you talk them. Then, if the three people come together to decide to do something, it is what they plan there. It is what they used to know themselves. You agree is what they used to know themselves. And you also give your name, also mama give papa give mama give you can never go against what that group of people did. Or court. Do you know that the many Nigerians, IPOB, Biafrans, one Nigeria in a court? The court handle na iwo John Emen Alaben 9. IPOB ndo to Nandi Kanu with a court. IPOB ndo to Simon Ekman with a court. IPOB ndo to Wazike with a court. Then one Nigerian with a court. Then those court now fight you have to do. And those court really be one family, one father and one mother. What can you get? What are you going to say? Yen na Bible only na keep doing research. Actually, be one family, but they fighting each other because of what? We didn't cast na only in case side Simon Eba. So now because you just Simon they want to protect it and they want to die with it. And it is going to be well with them to die with it. The same John and the animal, people want to die with it. And it is good to die with it. The same people want to die for Jesus Christ's sin. And when they want to die, then it's good to die with it. It is normal to die with what you believe. But don't use what you believe to suppress others, to intimidate others. That's why my stand will be. China did exactly what I'm preaching. China said that if you believe in whatever you believe is inside their family, don't carry it come out for public. Simple. Why am I against those people that's using Nandi kind of talk now? Why am I against those people that are using IPOB to defraud people and Biafra to defraud people? Because I know they are fraudsters. I know that one with sure. They are fraudsters. They never believe in humanity. They don't care for themselves. They don't care for each other. They only look for power to overthrow whatever they want to overthrow in Nigeria government. We were thinking that these people were different upset. We were thinking that these people but after everything, they use us and dump us and even call us a 419, call us a Spotua, call us also of a name with our money, with our time wasted, with everything that we have volunteered to make the name of those people to be hearing the word. Now it become a problem. That is why we already make them to go to fail without anyone paying. The something I collect, I give you, I will collect it full time. And if I collect it, I will make sure that blood is flowing, that blood that's flowing can never replace again. I am going to be very wicked in anything I stand for. Many of you people are behaving meaning. When I'm behaving meaning, I this thing until the end of the story. Now let me go to Ejofezako and Igbo with Peter Obi in a normal circumstance in a neutral ground. Peter Obi, thank you so much because yes, enweghị okwu tụle ka maka okwu abaghị na-ekwu sometimes ụfọdụ asị ọ na-arịgo bribe ọ na-arịgo Nigeria bribe. That is why the egwu nke ahụ gwuru now, because na mụ ha chọrọ this of anybody may follow me na abụrụ ndị ghọtara the preaching of Obinwannem, because it is o take the time ige truth. Onye na-eme ihe ọjọọ aga na-ege truth na ọ ga-achọkwa onye na-eme ka ha wee gbakọsị ọnụ wee na-aga. So mụ na ụmụ emega ya na mfe nweta ndị Igbo dị honest, ọ dị difficult. Since m na-eme Obinwannem almost 4 years, nwetabeghị m onye Igbo dị honest. Ọ bụghị ihe na-ego ọ bụla dị honest. Ọ bụghị nweta ego support Obinwannem ọ bụla dị honest. Ọ bụrụ ya honesty, ọ bụrụ ya transparency. No. Many of you people na-abịa n'Obinwannem just nwee una own personal useless interest. That is all. And when that interest did not appear in the time you wanted it, or you thought about it, begin to disturb Papa and Mama. That is what you people done. And that is a very, very, very shameful. I'm telling you people with all my heart. I don't come akụkọ ka m na gị bịa ka ị bịa nwee ego. Ọ na-achọrọ inwe ego, get check onye mbụ na agwagasị gị ebe m bigasịrị. Ha bụcha bilionia, trilionia. Na ezinụlọ m bichara eto. Ha chọrọ inwe ego, nchọ m akpọ ha sị na ihe m chọrọ ime, ha ebie m ego. Mana achọrọ m ihe na I want to stand for myself. I want to build whatever my knowledge, my God sent for me. I want to build it by myself. If I cannot build it, I just die with it like that. Onye bịara ụwa, ọ maghị ihe bịara ụwa na-eru n'isi. Onwego onye ruru isi, ka ebe bụ isi. Nwoke ga-arụ hapụ ndị ọzọ ka ha rụtọpụ. Amụgo m nwa. Ọ bụ ya jiri aka mee nke. But ọkụfu nke m ga na-eme. Many of you people ihe na-echekwa kpata ego ruo na enu na onwe chọrọ ichekwa ya ka m ga-egbu obere oge. Many of you people chọrọ ịdị na-arụ na enu. Ihe na-aga anyị n'isi na-abụ ka ije kpata ego ruo na enu be nna gị. Ruo na enu be nna gị go moto. Afọ m nke nwanne anyị nwoke na-egosi nke na-asọpọt Ebuka Obi. Ọ dịka ugo gịnị nwa somebody ugo. Ọ na-egosi ụlọ si na nke a quarter of my sisters this and that. Ọ ihe a bụ ihe ndị Igbo ji bụrụ ndị ori. Ha na-eji ife ha mere amara nwanne ha aka. Ife na mụ na ha bụrụ efu. Obinwannem dị iche. Obinwannem bụ ndị na-asị gị kedu uru ọ ga-abara gị n'iwere Okechukwu nyere gị wee na-ama nwanne gị aka weda na Chukwu nyere gị oke ahụ ka ị wee nye nwanne gị ka ị nyetụ nwanne gị maka na ọ fụrụ nwere akọnuche to hold that oke ahụ then n'isi gị si nye ndị gị nọ n'akụkụ dị were wee na-amazi aka na-emezi akpịrị ntonto nwere ihe papa gị nwere ihe mama gị nwere ị chọrọ inweta ngane. This is the way ndị Igbo used to destroy their futures. Because God na-akpacha anya ekekere ụwa, nature na-akpacha anya mee gị ka ị nweta ka ọ mara ka ị esi yuzu ya. Then ọ bụrụ na iyuzu ya sie ya ọ ga-anapụ gị na mwute. Onye mere iji afụ ndị bụ ndị ọgaranya kama ha ga-adakwa ogbenye ha egbu isi mmadụ wee recover. Okay, if the wickedness of ndị Igbo this level kama ndị Igbo ga-ayọ nri ayọ ka isi wee lọta ha lọtara today ndị Igbo bere isi mmadụ wee survive. Obibi life a kịchọ ka anyị na-ebi ọ dịkwa na be nna gị the life obi ọ dịkwa mana IPOB now ọ dịkwa mana Biafra now because IPOB bụ only organization anyị wepụtara n'obi ka anyị were gosi na anyị dị iche from ndị Nigeria. That is the mission of IPOB from the beginning when they explain me nonsense they explain on Radio Biafra. They explain me say that now we want to prove that we are different from Nigerians. That is what in my brain till today. And IPOB really go see example of how government run through their own organization. That's what I was thinking. I'm going to have the worse than Nigeria with fact and figure, with evidence. Only na na-eri na ha bụ ndị isi Biafra kpọfa ọmụgwọ Okechukwu Ugwu ọmụgwọ Obinwannem Igbo ọmụgwọ aka Chukwu Igbo kpọfa ha bịa jụ gwa m kedu ihe ha ji wee kama agitate for Biafra they have destroyed. Why? Who are you want to fool? Nigeria, we are saying now, let us now know what we can do now. Everybody with what we promise our people. Then let us now focus on that new Nigeria election that already on our front. Because this 2027 is here. It's here. So, you get that your stupidity, Biafra, useless life of Biafra, criminality of Biafra, lies, blackmail, propaganda of Biafra, to stop what God wants to use to show another people another way to survive. Because you bring the enemy of progress. You can't get your own. You don't want others to get their own. You are enemy of progress. The kind people of you need to never be in this world. When you're going to do wicked. Biafra happened in Biafra since 2012. 2012. A lot of leadership have come and go in Nigeria. Then what are you people up to today? Can you that you do when I one day? You people have done except to be on social media. Except to be on social media. Show my doing organization of not to carry in when I babylamba. We recruit you, we chineke running over. I now attack mother. No business na comment section. Now I'm not mad. No strong debate. Nigeria have been debating. Look at the Advocate. Advocate debate on his own mindset on politics. Many of you will not castigate here. Peter Obi debate on his own way. Or to make his own way. Which is what those people, I can never vote these people twice. Or to never reach 2% of my liking. But okay, make a Kodu kwa kasi na ali emi minike makonya gemi emu efia gemi na egosi ema ole asude efia gemi emu ana egosi ema na asude obu na nchi na ngwabu ni makoti unu deji the same fake governors to be comparing what I'm telling you, but I'm using German standard to compare OT. Manunu gonna use the workplace fake governors to compare OT. That is what makes you people animal. You don't think for good more. You think for only just management, and you don't manage life. You live life a full life of life. And I mean, when governor go into city, priority to protect life and property. Before anything, make security to be there tight. Open having one or two things. I get you now our and now by your Facebook, now by everywhere. When I'm not work is working. But poverty in the same state is high rent more than what it is before. So what is change? People like me agitate for everybody to be eating 3 square meal. That is my agitation. Why can't you believe who you respect the Germany? Every day they will pay you. If you are working, they will collecting the tax. Understand how they will make tax return. So what is your truth doing in the state? Have you give all the women that is on pension? How many people in another state cannot confirm it? In a Djibouti, how many people cut the state home and abroad? In a Djibouti, come on, right here to do that. Then even at that in state, how many people in a poverty? How many people are in a poverty? How many people are road? How many people are road? And even a road being handed. That is insecurity. We don't know how to argue in the same age. Or we are rolling in car. A regular of individual, Hana manage is not making sense. And today, go to Narunka, or no individual that are already credit, or pocket on a Fubaze, at last. Namaro, you just noble, even a social media may be brainwash, people chilling naturally see my work because Hamari is very strong. When I go in Nahana Neha, even I could say, Kahawa Marabeka mother. I'm not trying to come out of the restore, say, Biafra with criminality mindset, Biafra with division mindset. I'm not trying to get to Nigeria with this pretending mindset. You don't pretend that na Nigeria is no problem. Tinubu, APC, nka. Mana mu wana my research we open up many ndị Igbo now support Tinubu with all pressure. If you care for me, many Koro eyes now support Tinubu with all pressure. So why are you now coming on social media and looking for people who will blackmail or people who will talk? Many women now support Tinubu channel. Women now support Tinubu. Let ENM and Nigeria continue. Ibu channel. No, but anyone about to one who will go to when another LL na social media. They raise the content. They claim that na you are this, you are that, and we don't really understand. Create something on your own as a creator. You never create anything that people are going to come and benefit on it. Then others create a sabotage in that creation. And that is why people like me, you create to everybody, but no. The righteous one. And open the moment of the righteous one, not here, no more. We go have the righteous one. Now we turn the finish all of them. That is it. You come for message, I come for message. I'm delivering my own, you deliver your own. Anyhow you deliver your own, it's up to you. People are going to know you by what you deliver. Well, first. Now, could be this without even thinking twice. I have been Peter Obi now, I can angry, keep legend, we have to crawl and Igbo. Fine and good. What's after now on nobody's fine and good. Ubu nature ten mado, the men down in an answer. Why? That is why Igbo not more stakeholders of Obinwannem, because I hate hypocrisy. I hate delay. I hate when I didn't mean no open you but directly. I don't want you to enter my territory. Don't enter my office without paper to do what you want. Don't come to me. I'm a man of action. I'm a man of talk and do. If you never made it to go to anywhere, don't try to go there by luck. Only but Obinwannem, each other but Obinwannem, and then you the strategy and the project in it one community. Do you think that now before you can help others, that people will help you too? You make money to help. You do not make money to pack it. That is why I am looking for people that take percentage. I know you buy. Don't think about what you are going to benefit in future. Because all the matter will bring future bright. If all of you now who 5 million of Igbo, Gabia, because Igbo, Igbo, I'm going to have the village maybe how will my voice. That's why I speak outside the internet. That's why I speak. So that you got me prefer na why you go so now. Obi ni na mna ga roko. Obi ni just kai roko buka. Sense go zero go make us work. Because people are be buying now. Peter Obi are going to act in your art now. Peter Obi act now. You Peter Obi person email. Peter Obi attack you can go to you person email do Peter Obi now. A guy will do campaign. Do Peter Woro even any state or whatever. Woro Kulora a hospital Woro Kulora gonna go under cancer. Or what a in line no nacho warrior hospital standard hospital go ko a standard hospital eba na gwende cancer then I am anu be the god obunu were 50 million in a way when you okura were 30 million then we 20 million when they give wee jezi nyebekwazi ndị doctor, fake doctor, quack doctor. Ịmakwa that fake doctor and quack doctor was supported by government, because almost 95% of Igbo doctors are criminal, are bandits. And that is the reason why the quick death na abịa n'ala Igbo. Because ịmara ife doctor na-emebi na be nna gị, ihe tie ije n'ọgwụ. That people a ga-enyekwa ego bụkwa ndị Nigeria, bụkwa ndị ihe n'ala Igbo. That people ga-enyekwa ego a ga-anachikwara ndị ahụ niile bụkwa ndị gọọmenti. Ọ nachitakwara Peter Obi. This is how they do things in our land. You think that they are good people. Peter Obi, thank you. Peter Obi, Peter Obi, Nyagaka. Peter Obi, God bless you. Or to Peter Obi, Peter Obi, because let me declare, Peter Obi, now Peter Obi, Peter Obi, president of Nigeria, a man of God does not exist. Peter Obi, don't believe no those things. Because now, the same thing now, we and the Kanoku. So that if Biafra did not come, that means Chukwu Kadama does not exist. Then Chukwu Kadama can say that now, if you want Biafra to come, you must follow my commandment. And if you follow my commandment, I will not give you that Biafra. That is how this lecture work. If you did not come this meeting, we host by ourselves. If you did not come this meeting, a man may be a truthful person. You have a challenge. God like challenge, you die. Creator like challenge, you die. Nature like challenge, you die. Oh, challenge can't be very no. I challenge nature. I challenge Chukwu. I challenge anything that living. I challenge them. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm challenging the clearance now by POB. Man, this have a Biafran leaders. Man, this have a Nigeria leaders. I challenge them. I challenge them with fact and figure, not blackmailing. I challenge them with their claim structure. Because structure haki yejina go hebu ona bahanaro ha choba zembi ga gbebu. That is the way. Me na chile the secret, na chile expose. Because many of you people are not challenge kai be ngeta na. So somebody saying na obu ni dey meet na ikoro wan nkwa. E man Igbo ezigbo mad. Even obu dey meeting o man we feel like ezigbo mad. Even in bosozo you are going to say okwa kiseku. Onye ka nje egbu ndị isi na ha nọ n'Obinwannem. Ya nwere ọchịchị. Ọ ka ha si egbu. Ndị asị ya ndị ewere m ofu okwu ha kwuru wee na ngwa ha okwu. Ha mee ihe ọjọọ taa. Eru echi ha mechie ọjọọ nchetara nke mgbu aha. Chịkọtawa nke ibua onye na-achụ ọsọ. Onye na-achụ ọsọ. Nwoke ọsọ na-achụkwa ndị a niile na-abata n'Obinwannem ọsọ na-abụrụ. You sin. I will not forgive you. I write them down. Then if you sin again, I come by it and tell you, you begin to cry, you begin to find me as a bad person. The righteous kingdom does not accept sin. And sin is started by lie, pretending. If you pretend to me, I will find out. If you lie to me, I will find out. If I don't find out immediately, I will find out tomorrow or next tomorrow. You have a short banker. You have the gift of God give me. Immediately I talk to you, you lie to me. Before you reach 2 days, 3 days, I will find out that you lie to me. And then I'm going to look at why? If you're going to examine and the man may witness here too much. Even if you're not going to be working on it back now, I'm not working on it now, everybody in the group now. Oh, me keep on a phone. Let me say like this. Oh, me keep on a phone. I'm on a phone. Someone they can do. If someone maybe in this location, then it's okay. Now I'm talking in this location. Then it's okay. What I meet there. That location I hear them. Come on, you. Choose where the other side. I'm not catch me Saboro. Between now and a jam one going to location is enough. Oh, you look every day now. It's actually saying that this place now. I'm not check or somewhere I'm going to go on your ass. If you get that's why I catch all of you. You can never, I'm not going to be wife into us. A true possible anywhere. You're not true as for. So, Mama Bag can say a bill, the Mamba can say church, Mamba money knowledge, Mamba. And in I don't use our, you use our nation. In I don't a truthful mindset, a truthful mindset nation. If we are in a mark of food, I can just say that is me. If you need educated, the way you use your education, if you need to use your if you need a smart man, a smart man, so that is what makes me different from all the Igbos. And you may say, when they watch Karaka, watch destiny, they don't have the power to come on social media to tell you. They don't have any way to come and preach the gospel. If one had never been one has fallen the quarry hakaka, however. No one will what to blame because if they were job with the ranger when they see many of them on social media now say more Nigeria, Manahame platform and Nigeria, they may be enjoyment. You will be Obinwannem, where is Obi, Jeffrey Robi Shahana Kube, to God the man Abenage, to God in the teacher when a problem in cabinet in his zone with the zone or bring his support to matter. Many people now support on social media, do you know them? Many people or leader on social media, do you know them? Many people now support on social media, man on the harbor, do you know them? Do you try to know them? And you know better know the one. Can you know the one? Not para 1-on-1. And you know better know the not para what you know them. And the people that took me know one the car mara. Nan kenge maybe ask ya, you have to survive here. Because that's what make me matter that now I don't think about anybody, I think about everybody. I will be check. Many of you on TikTok what will benefit. Man, I'm that now so good in a benam. Alabama me bakwa. Me try na ma fonzu. Ozu everywhere. Ozu everywhere. Intimidation everywhere. Lies everywhere. Nobody can create a platform that we can unite people. We can talk about unity. But when somebody like me begin to call for unity, you people will make unity. Man, you go to the international community to come and help people with the criminality in the organization you have, with the criminality on leadership you have. Do you think that the Igbo people are crazy? They don't know what they're doing? Do you think that United Nations don't know what they want? Don't know what who you are? You say you want to be free from Nigeria? How? You say you want one Nigeria? How? You say you want to be so 1999 constitution? How? Or think we know the problem? Why can't you people go and fight with that? Freedom fighters starting from your kindred. Can you kill your destiny to live in Nigeria? We get better from one Nigeria. Talking in Nigeria. You are deceiving yourself. Anybody who only Nigeria will use organization to alert against Nigeria, not to fight Nigeria. That is what the international community respect. Like they told the Obinwannem Foundation, no, how will we expose the corruption in Nigeria, and you make women be part of the corruption. And the reason why you should stay away from these people I'm mentioning every day in my blessed platform. And I don't know why they keep believe them today, but now he got targeted out for to believe them. Because I don't believe that somebody can believe you when he will not understand you. So all the normal. Maganamu had frustrated it now their friend came to away now how the fraudsters, they are fraud. Frauding can happen or frauding talk about people to not got to shape on. We have been trying to tell them come together. They refuse to come together because they are defrauding you. They are collecting your fundraising, using it to buy gun and bullet to kill themselves in Igbo land. And you have been seeing all those things working hard, and you cannot even be ashamed of yourself. You see come on social media, talk about Biafra without structure, talk about Biafra without a vision, talk about Biafra without manner of approach. ashamed of yourself? If these people understand the quality of leadership of what we are talking about? You don't understand it? Many of you people have coconut brain. That is why many of you people cannot stand in the public to tell the whole world, what do you want? Now, planning a social media content, instead of thinking about your villages, instead of thinking about bad government in your land, instead of thinking how you can begin to develop your community, you begin to use diaspora, use IPOB, their leader is a fraudster. You use it to make people to believe in unbelievable mission. This is the same thing Ugwu said. No way, people massacred. Same thing with what he said. No way, people massacred. No justice for those people that are massacring. Nani can come again, do people massacring. Nobody is asking for the justice of the massacring people. Simon come again, people massacring. And nobody is talking about against justice of those people that massacred. They keep talking about people that are causing the problem. You people are going to become a shameless idiot in the world. Very soon. Woman asked me, those people that Nigeria government have buying through IPOB, do you have the record of all of them? I remember when I go to IPOB once or twice, I didn't know the record here. I don't remember. You have to know how you get better than man came in or not. Man came in or south. You have to go to charge even in I'm not smart. Okay, how does it then? What have you done to the governor to make sure that this thing is not happening? Because you know you too make full riot against one person, justice for this person. When I could only know how can I say that we need to because you never will be to defend your land? How do you defend the land in the way each of how defend you guys want to go over? Oh, yeah, man, to bring on. We don't need treasure committee to bring on. How you do in politics? Make sure the politics are done prune. That is normal. It is there. How can I say in Israel or Israel they go ask me to do Israel, they go Israel. What do they do? They don't have that power at all. I said go he's secure, go on for very secure and does. The reason why he married you because he trying to bring this joke because he may Igbo, Sibonaka, and that indeed don't make an appoint finger. Oh no, instead of using agitation, kai precision agitation, base assume Igbo. There's no Igbo, or man is no Igbo. Next year, Nabo, all I want to see is fire. When is no 1 year, and I cause 1 year, and when no one guy Igbo, one in. Eme nyakankana yondo mmadụ agana ndị nke the reason ndị don't have brain, that is my problem. They think that power behind the job agbari egbe ada agbari polo egbe. When you start backing Nnamdi Kanu, supporting Nnamdi Kanu, writing Nnamdi Kanu on all the platforms we created, it is because we saw vision, we saw knowledge on him, and what we saw, we know that it is possible. The reason Biafra and IPOB is no more possible because it is already corrupted. It's corrupted, that is not, it can never be reset without people like us. Because we only made that struggle now they corrupted in the same system of that IPOB of Biafra. There's something over here in Nigeria. The same thing of the Nigeria government. Nigeria government be corrupted. Without changing the structure of the Nigerian 1999 constitution. The same thing can IPOB without changing the strategy. And when you need but for that place when you see the Gabu call Bateba just not a call fight for the freedom of Unyama. Although it's possible, that era and agafego, that vision agafego, and the only thing you can do to help yourself now is to look for a village and know how to join your villagers. But over time, they really mad they destroy people on social media. It is already destroyed. We will be a career, we will be a vision here. We will begin with propaganda, blackmail, and lies. We will begin. Aka Chukwu Kikabi Mahapu will final. When you could be walk again. Tokona Maka. Not try. Who is that trying? Because they could not try. They keep trying. But come on, I want to do the nobody. Now, buy a code. I don't have just not social media, not support to whoever you like. It doesn't make sense. We saw the problem in time and we come out. But because of that problem we saw, you people think that we are a fool. We know nothing. The same way do AJ blackmail murder and sack murder is already down. Because now when the nature want to fight for his children, you believe in the children of the nature? You know, it is like when you have two children. One is one man. You can't use the natural when you can more man so look or up name is off. What do you have to do in this your two children? That thing will be me. If it is me, no one name of me, one name of me. You can't name of me. You can't name of my chin so you name of me. You can't add him off mambo. To a young borough, you're not able prison yard. Ya tu borough. In the near and cabin, we also use corner 3 me petao. No one is your robot. I owe me. I don't chin in you. Obo you na yo chukwuko na enye gị na nwa. Onwe ha ya na ha yo chukwuko onye nwa dịka Boko Haram, dịka Donald Trump. Many of people na yo ka enye gị nwa dịka Benjamin Netanyahu. Many of people na yo ka enye nwa dịka Peter Obi. Many of people na yo nwa ka enye nwa dịka Davido. Many of people na yo ka enye nwa dịka Flavor. But mgbe nwa dịka Flavor ga-abịa sị mama n'isi ka ga-eji chụọ aja isibakwa na ọ bụrụ ife aka ị mụrụ. Mana ọ dị yọrọ ya ndị na-apụta na you tell am say na ịchọrọ ka ọ dị ka ndị a. I want my son to be a doctor. Ọ pụtabekwa apụta o ị marakwa ndị doctor na-eme o ị never read a school of doctor but you don't wish your coming future child to be doctor. Then if you know how our father give men, you understand that our father give men because of what they are lacking. Papa icho enyamaka ochoba nwa ga nyeri aka and nwa ahụ bịa nyeri aka papa mgbe ahụ ọ chọrọ ya ọba ya ọ bụrụ Chukwuemeka ọba ya ọ bụrụ Chinyere depending two things on nwoke or nwaanyị. Or chi agozie or chi amaka makona mere gị fire. Many of you people amaro the power in speech in tongue. When you know what an amadu na-ekwu you know what abo why this person is against this person, why this person is no. First of all, understand that even a politics, every way is me. Even a business, every way is me. Even a culture, every way is me. That is my topic always. So I talk all of them in way I like. Like today now, I want to talk about. I'm talking about Peter Obi, President Okwu President Okwu Onyema bu kedi obu owerigo nke ahụ wee gbara ngwa afịa. Owerigo wee chọrọ crowd. Owerigo enwe crowd. When I keep on talking about it, crowd from him. Obu na ndị dịka nsi ekwu na one platform. Obu na Peter Obi, obu na Okuro Ejofezak now supported Peter Obi party. And yana Peter Obi manama through party. Okuro ndị Igbo supported Peter Obi. Because now there is ndị gbakụtara ya ọsọ enyemaka. So automatically, Okoro and Igbo supposed to join political party. Na ọ bụ na ọ bụ ezigbo mmadụ, o kwesịrị join ADC. join here immediately. Seek for counselor, seek for any position. Through this year, care we so generate go to health in Nigeria. Go we na go from there. Onye na-ewe n'iwe n'ebe Okwuluọra nọ, ebe ndị Igbo nọ. Maka na ndị nwa bụ Okwuluọra ndị Igbo ekwugo na-ekwuwe ojefe akapụta ya. Kedu ihe mere na ndị nwa bụ Okwuluọra ndị Igbo achọghị join politician obodo unu? Ndị na-eri ego obodo. Ị na-eji anaghị ego ana. Why can't you join to also receiving your own direct without collecting from Peter Obi? Onye na-akwụ Peter Obi ụgwọ. Peter Obi go as a president, onye ga-akwụ ụgwọ. Ọ bụrụ ọbụla ga-akwụ ụgwọ from your tax money they pay him. Or your resources they pay him. So why can't you think how you can enter the seat? Kita ndị mmadụ amadụ gị. Ndị mmadụ amadụ gị ezigbo mmadụ. Then chọọ na akara aka gị na akara aka gị every day people become money na corruption na social media help. That is nonsense. Because in a late ndị Igbo down. You are bringing Igbo dignity down by showing the whole world that Igbo cannot secure their people. When you say government is for protecting life and property, then you are showing the whole world that government cannot protect the life and even property. Then what do you want them to do? Then what are you doing now to prove that the government actually may have to because of me agent of governors, agent of politicians, for good man. You can't want the government in hand Peter Obi Garage. Peter Obi never has said that Yama, Nandi politician, do even cause poverty, massive pie, insecurity, no infrastructure, good infrastructure in the land. Peter Obi will not have a cost here. No have a cost here. Then Giwan wodu na uno niri hebe so akọsi ya unakubali aka kwa asonye mechara ku eziokwu. Okay, mgbe ni na onye na akọsi ya kedu kwali unu na-eme? Kedu unu gwara ya? Kedu kwa kweli unu kita na ọ ga-eme ka ya ahụ kwụsị? Presidency. Giwa bụ Okwuluọra ndị Igbo because na bịakwutere gị wee sị gị that na ihe niile no ga-enye gị support for ndị na-abụrụ ndị niile abụ ụmụnne anyị nọ n'akụkụ n'aya kidney. This is the way Mbaka played. Ihe a gịnwa bụ Okwuluọra na-play ka Mbaka na-play. Then what about if Tinubu zlezi ka bịa fụkwa gị otu a Peter Obi siri efulu? What are you going to tell Tinubu whereby you have declared Peter Obi presidency of Nigeria? As you declare Peter Obi presidency of Nigeria, Tinubu target as ya ga-emeka Peter Obi improve that ya ga-emekwu no ya na America na bi oge n'ebe na ọrụ ihe na ọzọ. What are you going to say? If that thing you are saying that now before you say something in a politics or something like that, you have to think well. Di man no go either go in as excitement we making we kwuo something that is obi na ori echi na nkịta na asịba why ji kwuga ni otu a inebe anya na Muslim. No one has support Peter Obi, other support Peter Obi because na Peter Obi bụ ezigbote presidency na for me. Na ma support Peter Obi based on ka mma na okwu ọnụ Peter Obi ahụ nwere ike imezu by ndị dịka agitator dịka enwa negotiate with us. Negotiation with us bụ the same thing na ha na dịka ndị chagoro sucha na negotiate bụ nke anyị ma ọsọ si ya nwa ma were nọrọ ebe ọ nọ. Then automatically ọ bụ na anyị nwaanyị bịa negotiate with Peter Obi, then negotiation ime with Peter Obi with Obinwannem Foundation, it is that Peter Obi have to invest highest investment in our land in agriculture. What also make agriculture bring priority of Igbo land. Without giving it open a budget in the 175 must go to agriculture. That is me. Without that, you are no son, you are nobody. Because all you're doing to me. Many of you people think now we now run a social media, now run a government. Now, mama, I'm not doing nature, no, the place is why I feel Regional as well main market on the enemy, Israel electronics on the enemy, you must eat. You must drink. Then who is manifesting drink and who is manifesting what you are eating? If you care, you make money and forget your life, and your life is agriculture. You live long, agriculture. You live short, agriculture. Then do you think that money gives life? Money does not give life. Money destroys life. So why every Igbo man now depend on money? Why? And forget what gives them life. The agriculture that gives every Igbo man life, long life, we had 150 years, 200 years. The agriculture that gives them life, they have left it because of government corruption, because of religion deceivers. We left it. So if I want to support Peter Obi, I'm not trying to let Peter Obi know. I support it. Oh, I'm feeling no only the Kogutorakuko. I don't use Peter Obi, case I use Tinubu. That's why you feel can you try good? Can you do Peter Obi or Bagodi? Can you or even Peter Obi or Mobara? I need they must be great again. That's another thing because Yoruba is planning devilish things against Igbo people. And the kind of the reason I make and buy Marabna, in which not to you no be danger. Manu nation no got survive by Iba enemy. Tinubu is trying to make Yoruba nation to stand strong. Tinubu is trying to make Yoruba nation to stand strong. Ariwa is making their own. Now the problem of Ariwa and him has no good leadership. When Yoruba watago no that na he protect Roben na him. Na him as chapu yeni na the kan go ha man kendo madu gwachara ha. Obu na him mekwa ha chupu sembia. We wete equipment ha yeju we na emegi we na destroy India na obu na Tinubu we ko seputa ha get no problem in future. Then Igbo doesn't kwesịrị take care of Igbo nation ha. He will Biafra na destroy here. We IPOB na destroy here. Were Masob is going to Masob not destroy because Masob is the problem of Igbo. Because now, why did you people create? Why did you people create another structure on top of Igbo structure? Why? All because we try conquer, we try Islamize Igbo. Because now. Was Ike create Masob? What is the meaning of Masob? What is their mission? What are they doing? Can you find remain alive? You don't remain alive. All you know is in alive. Can you find Masob now? Now when they cannot tell you, what are they doing? Have you go and see that this is company of Masob? This is company of Wazirike. This is agriculture of Wazirike. This is agriculture of Masob. Have you seen something? Even that these people don't have what it takes to help the masses. The same thing I'm facing a government of Nigeria. Kind of facing a Biafra. So why can't all of us to learn lesson? The same corruption we are facing in Nigeria government is the same corruption we are facing in Biafra leadership. You don't see it. You don't see it. Or what about this? Can you benefit either to go to organization that will go back to Umonage? Obinwannem Foundation tell you, go back to Umonage, go back to Umadeborogi, Umikoroborogi, go back there. Stop making people to believe that Biafra or IPOB or Nadikan or someone is bringing you anything freedom in your village. Foul. It will never work in your future. Oh, it could be future 10 generation coming. Because Igbo can never succumb to the preach of Nandekano, although possible anywhere. Igbo, they are dancing Nandekano. Igbo, 99% that against Mazi Nandekano. and if they are guessing now they can have their guessing now they can speech ideology. Because they are guessing now they can character. See, man, ideology is different by character. So now the character and now they can play through ESN because in Igbo add the cool hatred on now they can. But nobody will tell you except me. So give one idea at all. Kiba will qua Biafra. We require PAB. Where we deceive Igbo. All of you are against swallow Nando before you know it. Because all when they are not here, we have a change that but on a trap. I can't really can. And on that, when they ask, please through Igbo nation because they are there. A lot of people have invested into this Biafra struggle millions of dollars. But remember, Uncle Makuni. You do want to make button on social media and we record when you teach a good check 1 million naira. But in a number to make a DTVT. So automatically, the people the engine of this struggle have pipe low. Hello, have pipe go low. Now gas in another dimension. And you are still there, gada keep protect here, begin hand amen, all your administrator on this sigging enemy, in your way banana. And the chop in a way is coming. Because what you preach is not what you act. Oh, yeah, what you preach is not what you act. On kaka haji do noro. Obu yi gwarande mmadu. Keme ki neme. Ewo na nsogbu ko. And di wa bukwa nu na bi claim ni do Biafra ni ka ba PAB. Obu yi gwa na television ki no on ground. Oja ko ni change the every frosters. Another kind of new level. Everything I knew in Kaima. And even the administration that one before this year now, nobody will regard anybody talking about Biafra as anybody. And you that regarding Chineke, I swear. Because you people are hypocrites and very wicked people I never see in my future. You'll be very wicked. People now talking if we tell you between Biafra. How? In our donate, in our support, in our preach, in the proud and boldness of what you are doing, then anyone who is proud and commitment and everything now going make I say me simba no nke na ndi kanu kurukanelo on nke Simon kurukanelo onya mere Yesu ga getimuchu ni alive because you don't believe in yourself. You believe in people. You believe in people. You don't believe in yourself. What can you offer? You don't try to believe you. You cannot say what can you offer? In this job you are seeking, what are we expecting from you? Then the man asking I told me not every day, what are we expecting from you? I have been asking them the same question, nobody can answer. Remove nothing and you can in your speech, you must speak. How can you restore Biafra from yourself? No. Only thing that you do, open platform and saying you must protect Nandikan. You don't even protect Biafra you are talking about again. You are not protecting Nandikan, protecting Simon. That's what makes you people an idiot and a fool. I mean that what you do here, when a woman or more going Nandikan in my own quarter for people to understand that he must be followed. So now do not be a criminal one it was him na you have battle with Uzuzu na the struggle and you battle with knowledge. And knowledge is battle na struggle the men and man of the politics of Nigeria. Because I believe in a Biafra Gabu, a missionaries that going to change the narrative of the thinking of our people. I was thinking that by this time I believe in new name Ghana Yomuni. By this time I believe in new name na Libo Ghana Yego. I believe in I believe by this time imagine that the whole IPOB member pay $1. Will make create a job opportunity that my mom never know today because all the be a happiness. If you could not help people that your brain is imagined to help, you are sick now, you will be sick. People like us now, open a mother, I will be sick now. So I get which appear, why you pay when don't new spirit and when don't grow spirit here? That is life. And when they do spirit here, when they chocolate spirit here. And in their hand, I chokwa kai make a hamaka pronozo. Can I give an example? Even in Nigeria, I don't know the problem of Nigeria. Imam Kutanyo, he got a problem. Manamu one have to tell as a problem. Then I face a problem, but one day we need to have in Nigeria. On that in Nigeria. On what the problem? And we have a social media handling and Osera na cho ndị na-ekwukwa ka ha ga-esi wee gbuo wayo ma ọ bụ ndị na-ekwu ka ha ga-esi wee ma na ebe ha nọ dịkwa mma na ha nọchitara ebe dị mma ebe ha ga-anọrọ ha na-akọ akọ n'ụwa ha dị mma ha chọọ dị iche maka ndị ụwa ndị ọzọ na-adịghị mma ebe na anyị na ha bụrụ ofu mụnwa na-echere ndị na-enwe ihe ka ọha so mụ na ga mabụnata ofu ana mụ ama nji amamihe m wee sọpres ndị amaghị ihe onye abụọ njide iche anyị na-agwụ n'ebe ndị Igbo. It is time. Ndị nọ na Facebook and YouTube aga m emechi that place now because na 2 hours erugo there.